I'm talking to you at home. I'm talking to you who's sitting on the couch. You may be wondering, how can I live my dream? Or what should I do in order to live my dream? Well, you know what? I want to tell you, first start off by writing it down on paper. Get that paper, write it down. Now, if you already wrote it down, that's great. I'm so proud of you. My thing is, I want you to now take action on the things that you wrote down. Now, it may not happen overnight. It may take a while. Matter of fact, it may take a little bit longer than a while. But if you take little steps and you step by step by step, it will move you closer to your goal. Now, if you don't do anything, you're not going to get anywhere. And you're going to look around and you're going to look around and you're going to wonder, why am I not getting anywhere? It's because you're not taking any action. The key word is action, is movement, is getting up each and every day. Knocking those tasks down to smaller tasks so that it all comes together and you have a plan in action. Words on the paper don't move. Only you can make them move. So I encourage you to write it down and to take action on that plan. Now, maybe you had a dream before that you need to resurrect. You know, maybe you had a dream when you was a teenager, or maybe you had a dream as an adult. You know, whatever level you are in life, you can make that dream become a reality. Resurrect that dream. Don't let it just sit there and die. You know, make it happen. You can do it. I'm sure you can. I've done it, and if I can do it, you can do it too. I want to inspire everyone sitting at home at the sound of my voice, or wherever you may be, in your office, at your job, wherever you are. I want to inspire you to do what you got to do and don't quit. Winners never quit. That's the only way for you to know if you're ever going to make it. Now, it always may not go in your direction. I mean, come on now. Things are not always perfect. We're never going to find a perfect situation. But you know what? We just have to do it. We just have to go at it. And we just have to make great things happen. Find your dream. Make it a reality. Bring it to life. I encourage you. I'm sure find somebody to encourage you. If your family is not as supportive, you know what you do? Find people that are supportive. Network. Surround yourself with the right people. Surround yourself with like minds. Pick up a book. Read an empowerment-oriented book. Find your dream. Fight for your dream. Make it happen. I congratulate you for picking up this book, Fight for Your Dreams. And I just want to encourage you to use the stories as to make you stronger. And that's my word from me to you today. My name is Sharice Patterson, and I am here to simply empower you.